All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today I am here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley. So today we are going to be exploring the Contour by Tri Pointe homes. These are actually townhomes. We have plan 1 in the center, plan 2 at the end cap, and this is plan 3. Plan 3 here is going to be the biggest one out of this collection here, which is 1,750 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus a loft, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Now this one kind of has a little bit bigger of a courtyard. You got 3 different styles of elevations that you can pick from. They do have a second building that has 4 units connected. The garage is out in the back. Now this one's a little bit unique. On this one, the entryway is actually to the side of the home here, as you can see. But now we are going to make our way here to the back. So this is actually a bathroom. Typically this would be a wall, and you have the 2-car garage in the back there. However, I'm going to come back this way. We're going to go inside this unit. We're going to take a look around. We're going to see exactly what is going on. If you guys haven't had a chance to view plan 2 or 1, go ahead. I'll have that in the link in the description below. So far out of plan 1 and 2, I like plan number 2 the best. Actually, no. 1, 2. You know, plan 1 I like the best. Now that I'm in this plan 3, I'm definitely liking the more spacious area. Now, however, believe it or not, because this one is 1,750, my house alone is only 1,666 square feet, 4 bedrooms with a loft. Now, I can tell you the downstairs here is a lot more open than mine. So I really do like this floor plan. Now, this is a townhome, keep that in mind. Now, it's all about the layout, and I love the colors that they are using in the natural tones to this build here. Love the browns with the black. Kind of gives that elegant, natural look. So as you can see, we have a center island here. The center island is probably 5 by 5. Okay. Trying to walk all the way around again. Kind of give you guys a better layout. So it looks like you don't really have a choice but to put your furniture right here. I'm going to sit down right here. As you're starting your family, sit down and be like, hey baby, make me something to eat, I'm hungry. She'll be like, make yourself something to eat. Okay darling, I'll make myself something to eat. Okay. I do like the fact that they have a lot of windows to bring in a lot of light. This community consists of about 160 lots. Lot premium is going to range roughly about $10,000. If you do use their lender, you get an incentive around $6,500. However, you better make sure that you can lock in the rate for the minimum amount of time it actually takes for the builder to build this thing. Also, if a builder is telling you it's going to take 12 months to build, you better make sure your lock-in rate is at least 14 months. You want to have that extra cushion, because a lot of times the problems that I'm having now, the builder are not closing on time just due to the fact that materials and supply. So here's the 2-car garage. We are not going to enter the 2-car garage. Here's your pantry space, which is not that bad actually. We got some countertop here with a lot of depth. Looks like we have some quartz countertop. Here you have 2 stoves right here. However, you do have the option to do a cook countertop. With this style, more of a modern style, I would definitely do the cook countertop. Let's see if this thing exhausts outside. Again, this one does not exhaust outside, which is boo for me. That's a negative. Now let's make our way down this way here. See what we have. We have our half bath. Okay. Now the half bath is a 34-inch vanity. So it looks like on all their models they did 34 inches, which is really nice. This door right here with this design will be an extra cost. Now I notice on this one, we have a Santa Fe texture. On the other two models, we had an orange peel and a skip draw texture. Nice banister. Typically, this would be a pony wall, so this would be a structural upgrade. So I don't know if you guys can see this Spanish style type of texture. I like the fact that the staircase is a little bit wider. Kind of feels everything is open. So here is your option with your loft area. So we're gonna go down here to the left. We're gonna start straight down this hall with a bedroom. Now this bedroom will share a Jack and Jill bathroom. And it looks like we have 9-foot ceilings, which makes it feel a lot more open. Now right across there we have the pool. And this kind of gives you an idea of the community here. HOAs are roughly about $173 a month, which is not bad. Now, if you guys are interested in this property, believe it or not, the earnest money deposit on here is $9,000. The other thing is that the options, should you decide to do the options on this build out, they want a deposit of 25%, which is not that bad whatsoever. 25%. Oh, look at this DeLorean. Cool, huh? So it looks like you would have a door here, As we come in the bathroom, 12 by 24 tile, 34 inches on the vanity. Now these countertops here, this drawer here, all right, this is not real wood. These are more like thermofoil, so it's basically like a laminate that goes right over it. Tub shower combo. Okay. Now this video is not going to be that long. It's going to be pretty short because the home is not that big. Washer, dryer, and this is gas. 36 inches on the smart panel box here. Now you do have an option to put the upper cabinets, but for a home like this, I would not do the upper cabinets. I think it's a waste of money. So this little loft area, you definitely have to keep this thing open on the loft. Now they did pre-wire for the surround sounds, which is, I probably would have not done this for this home. So that way you can save some money. However, one thing I would spend the money on is actually this open banister right here, instead of having just a pony wall. Now let's take a look at this owner suite here. Wow, this is a very unique owner suite. I love the fact that we have a bunch of windows, but unfortunately you don't really have an option where to put your headboard, only one direction here with the TV. Okay, now this is a pretty large room. I love the fact that we got a thermostat here. They do have some distribute sounds too as well. Now the baseboards here that they have, this is a 6-inch baseboards with a rip on the baseboards here, but just, you know, certain things like attention to detail. I haven't really picked on a lot of these builders lately. Probably because I haven't done really new homes for some time. Now, when I say that, I mean video-wise. Now, we've been selling a lot of homes. Now, the homes that I've been selling now, believe it or not, are $1 million plus homes. Like where is all this money coming from, right? Now this mirror that you see here, you can do an upgrade on this mirror right here. On this upgrade, it's about $650, which is, I don't think it's worth it. There's ways that you can spend your money wisely. Again, we have the tub shower combo. Instead of this shower rod, I would actually have the sliding glass. Probably be a lot better. Cleaner look, keeps it more open. Then we have our water closet. The incentives right now, if you use their lender, according to the sales agent, is about $6,500. But make sure to take a look at the lending estimate, because they always tell you you're going to get some money and you realize you don't get money. You just pay for your own closing costs. And we tricked you. That's right. Gotcha. I mean, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. I'm curious to hear what your thoughts are about this one. I think out of them all, I think I do like this one the best for me. Let me know in the comments below what plan do you like better, plans 1, 2, or 3. If you haven't checked out 2 or 1, go ahead and watch those videos and let me know. And the other thing is, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Matter of fact, before I even end this video, let's do this. Let me walk you out to the front. And if you guys come here, Nicole, she's my sales rep over here, my girl. When I say my girl, I'm not talking about like my girl, you know what I'm saying? She's just a good friend of mine. She gonna take care of me as I take care of you, that's right. But I wanna take you guys back out here to the side here, because I want to show you what the back looks like. Now let me unlock this. That's right, I got the code, baby. I got the code. Because I'm a gangsta, prankster. There's the pool there. Look at that Jeep. All right, so here is your backside of the home here. I mean, you can see some of the stucco work doesn't look too pleasing, but I mean, it is what it is. So it looks like in the back here we have our no parking zone, because this is a fire lane. Here is our water. So as you can see, it's indicated right here, water. One thing that you need to do is when you even buy a home, resale, or brand new, see where your main water line is. This is actually your sewage line. So something happens, they got to dig this all the way up, right? We haven't talked about that for some time. Also, another thing I want to share with you is that you see all these cracks here on the sidewalks and stuff like that. Look, what happens is there's a bond that the builder puts down with the county. And once this community is done, the county's going to come back here, fix all the little chips on the sidewalks and all that stuff like that. So just keep that in mind. Also, again, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel: real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses. Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.